It's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life, and we're really excited. In today's video, we're going to be sharing with you all part 2 of the Great Yorkshire Vegan Festival. I can't wait, can you, ma'am?
I'm really looking forward to being able to share with everyone all of the other amazing food that we had when we were there, and some of the other wonderful vegan stalls that were there as well.
We really hope that you all enjoy coming along with us for part 2. Shall we share the rest of the food one, ma'am, first?
I think that's a great idea. Let's share the other vegan food that we enjoyed.
Holidays and cheer, but now I got my eye set on you. Oh, I'm not gonna play it safe.
We've got some of the Asian food now. Here's drumstick. Very delicious. It's so delicious. I love the flavour so much and the texture too. What do you think, man? That's a crispy on the outside, isn't it? Nothing. I love it soft on the inside. Can you try everything else? Yes, please. Here's the barbecue. Oh, yeah. Wow, the vegan meat substitute is so delicious. And I love the barbecue sauce so much. It's so incredible. Just gotta make sure though. Try the sweet and sour. Oh, yes please. Oh, yeah. That looks and smells delicious. That's what sour so much. See how this is? That's incredible. I love the sweet and sour sauce so much, and the vegan meat substance is amazing. Mine. Yours. We're here at Happy Mouse. Can't wait to try their mince pie cheese. Here's the mince pie cheese. Is that nice? Wow. That's an amazing combo. Good. Lovely. We're here at Dark Matters. Oh my gosh, all of the brownies, blondies and brookies sound absolutely incredible. Here's a chocolate chunk cookie. Is that good? Mm-hmm. It's nice and gooey and soft, but also amazing tasty chocolate too. Oh, perfect. Good balance. Thank you, Sophie. We're here at the Sunshine Vegan Deli stall. It's so lovely to be able to try their amazing vegan roasts again. If you haven't seen the video from when we tried some of the products from the hamper, we'll link it up there.
Puddings.
Still like it, I've gone off it.
So this one's the sage and onion one.
Oh,
So it's a little onion.
yeah. That chicken and stuffing one. If I've still got
Puddings.
We're now at Sweet Tooth, London. Oh my gosh, all of their bakes, sweet treats, cakes and pizzas smell and sound absolutely incredible. Oh wow, they even have vegan tiramisu as well.
A year ago this very day I saw you from a mile away. That night, a magic night, without a word, with just a smile. The two of us were eye to eye that night, you and I try to walk between the raindrops, ride the waves of every storm. I thought our love was always worth fighting for. I'm standing on an empty rooftop, finding out where to begin. Time to let go, give up, give in. Your mood would suddenly just change from silence to a hurricane. Oh, I'm asking why. Without a word, with just a smile, the two of us were eye to eye that night, you and I try to walk between the raindrops, ride the waves of every storm. I thought our love was always worth fighting for. I'm standing on an empty rooftop, finding out where to begin. Time to let go, give up, give in. Time to let go, give up, give in. Yeah. Every time
Just pick this crystal out. Here is another amazing stall selling vegan brookies, brownies, cookies, cookie bars. Wow. We're now at Happy Sprout. It's absolutely incredible that Happy Sprout are now selling their vegan quiches, vegan brownies and cookies too. We really enjoyed sharing with you all part 2 of the Great Yorkshire Vegan Festival. We really hope that you all enjoyed it too. Oh my gosh, it was so amazing to see Happy Sprout selling their quiches and their cakes, wasn't it,
It
Mum?
really was. Oh, that quiche we had was lovely, wasn't it?
It really was, and we can't wait to feature that in a future video too.
That's it. That's what's so lovely about buying some of the products. It'll be all featured in another video very soon, won't it?
It really will. Oh my gosh, the Happy Mouse's mince pie cheese.
That was really good, wasn't it?
It really was. We really enjoyed looking at Sweet Tooth London too.
Their cakes, tiramisu, and all the other products they had looked so good. Those slices of pizzas looked amazing.
We really enjoyed trying the Asian food. Oh, that was so good.
That was really tasty, wasn't it?
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you have tried any of the products featured in today's video.
I think that's a great question.
If you have, which ones have you tried? If you haven't, which ones would you like to try? We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye from Sarah too!